Good morning, good morning. Let's get to it. So, let's check the news for today. Stock futures are rebounding today, driven by easing oil prices and strong corporate earnings. The market continues to monitor new global tariffs and Middle Eastern tensions. Okay. See if we got any news. See if any news come out. Okay. Fear and greed index. See. 39. Okay. Alright, so let's delete. Okay, we're going to daily time frame. Okay, let's mark up. We gotta go to the 4 hour. Okay. Okay, we did our 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour. See if we see anything. Okay. Okay, let's go to the 30 minute. Mm, 15. Okay. So to the 2 minute. Let's look at the London high and low. Okay, let's go to the 1 minute. See where we at right now. Okay, right now we're close to the London low. And we're also in the demand zone. So, we got the London low right there, but we're currently in the demand zone and it's respected it. Alright. So, what I see right here is a rejection candle. So let me do this too. I think this just, I'm marking it up, will let me know. And I wonder, should this be yellow? Yeah, I want it to be like that. So we got one rejection candle right here, but we need it to close above. See what's going on. Alright, it should be buy entry. Look for a long off this. Remember these settings should be 50, 50. And I see the countdown timer also. Okay. Let me have this open. So yeah, I like market risking. Yeah, 10 units. Take profit 50. Stop loss 50. Alright. So I've learned that stop loss should be right. So we got a long wick right now, but we got 5 more seconds. So yeah. And this is the only bullish rejection candle I see so far. So let's just let it play out. But then we also got this London low as well that we could play off of. So currently, if I were to do it, it would be well, you know. Yeah. It's a long wick though. But also price is still, this zone is still valid because it hasn't, candles haven't closed through it. Yeah, so I really just got this ready, but and the market also hasn't opened yet. So I'm using this right here. So we got the London low also. Okay, so this zone is invalid. So, and price touched it. It wicked. It didn't go past it though. And that was a big drop before market even opened. So it's just really about patience. But the good thing is we are at the London low. So first thing I would need is for a price to break below. Price is about to break. Price has to break below the London low in order for me to know to be a bullish bias. And I'm going to need to wait to see a change of character by price coming back up. So oh wow. This was a rejection candle and also this long wick, but it's not a supply zone. The closest supply zone is all the way up there. So now that price has broke below, I need to see a change of character. The price goes back up, and then once it passes it, a new demand zone is formed on the 1 minute for me to feel comfortable. But right now it's just sell-offs. So I do need to learn a prop firm strategy, though. So now that I have a better understanding of how to utilize the London low and high, now I need to really gain more clarity on that. Excuse me. All right, y'all, we getting some long wicks. So, let's see how price reverses right here. Oh, we got a bullish rejection candle. I want to start like marking it up. So we got one rejection candle right here to show there's a potential, but we don't know yet. We still got 35 seconds on the countdown timer. So we see that rejection candle. That's one confluence that we can use. Then we want price to break this orange, or this London low, excuse me. Yeah, we want price to break this blue line. Oh, shooting up. Got 4 seconds left. Let's see how that goes. Okay, price touch back behind it. So now we need to see a new demand zone form before entering. Yep, so change the character right here. Need to see a new fair value gap form, which is right here. So we can use that for very gap. But we got 30 seconds on this candle, so let's let this finish. But see, got this long wick. See how that just reversed like that? Just gotta be patient. But we do got a fair value gap that's forming. Break it. So let's just see. Got 5 seconds left. Okay, so now we got this fair value gap that formed. Price breaking above. Let's see what this candle do before we enter. Will this candle touch? Will it create a second fair value gap? Let's see. But I want to let this candle finish before we enter. We got 20 seconds. Oh, it's going up. So let's just see. I could do break an entry candle. We got 6 seconds left. Alright, let's enter. Put my stop. No. That was fast? Did I hit my TP? $16. Oh my God. No, I need to re-enter that. That's crazy. I don't like that. That's too fast. Bro, and it's going where I want it to go. That's crazy. Hold on, y'all, because this moving too fast. Okay. Alright. Hold on. But I'm only putting it at 50 though, but so I need to get faster on I need to get faster with stop loss, but I need to, this is what I want it to be. Price is coming back down, so good thing is you can continue to use this London low. So let's see if we see another bullish rejection candle. Of this London low. It'd be the same entry. Oh. All right, so price is breaking back through it, but we need to see a new fair value, a new demand zone form. See a new demand zone form once price passes it, or on the way to it, whichever one. We got a fair value gap off this one, so basically it was here. And where did I enter at? All the way up there. Where did I get over here? Mm, 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 mm. Excuse me. Just being patient. But while I'm being patient, let me look at this. So, it is both today. Okay. So, I want to do, wait, what? What happened? Yeah. Alright, I'll wait for, I got one more entry. And then, let's see. Or one more trade. Two trade today. So what I need to do is I need to move my stop loss faster. I need to, immediately when I put the trade in, I need to move that faster because it's not having enough breathing room. So that's why I feel like I'm putting the trade in and it's hitting immediately. But I do like the market order execution because I'm not having to sit through a lot of drawdown or moving my stop loss. It's like, you're going to put the play in, you're going to trust it. So, and the most I can move my stop loss to when dealing with the London low is moving the stop loss at least to like the low of the candle. Alright, y'all, so we could currently got prices going down. And, are there any other zones over here? Nope. I'm going back a few days. Nope, market just dropping right now. Overall downtrend. Hmm. Hmm. Mm. Just being patient. Being patient. Let me do this. So I'm gonna put an alert. Let's see how I do this. Oh, I could just press this little thing right here. Okay. Yeah, I put a price alert. So instead of me quote unquote having to like just sit here and watch this chart, it'd be more so like if I don't get a price alert, so we got two fair value gaps, another one. Because it's been going down since 6:36. Okay, y'all. So, alright, what we get? Okay, cool. Alright, y'all, so I'm done for today. I entered because I saw two fair value gaps form. So after seeing the two fair value gaps form freshly and newly on this 1 minute, honestly just went for the trade, you know? Now that may not be the best. I will say that. So that was more of just me going with the momentum of it in a moment, you know? So I want to be more mindful of taking trades off of newly formed demand zones or supply zones that form on the 1 minute. But I just decided to, trust that just due to having two back to back fair value gaps, I just went for it. Um, and I'm going to look into um, another strategy my mentor taught me. And I'm going to see if what I just did, if that's the strategy or if I need to clean it up and double check some stuff. But yeah, I just didn't, I couldn't see when price would be hitting back this. So yes, I do have a alert on it, but due to this continuous downtrend, I just thought to go for it. So let's do this. Go for TradeZilla dashboard. Auto sync. Okay. But see, and it's showing you my trades this week. Yep. Nice. So yes, I took 3 trades. Normally I only want to take 2, but the first trade I took, it moved too fast. So that's why I got in the second time. Okay. Alright, so I need to do my journal entry. Oh, I gotta take a screenshot. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay. So I had two wins today, two good entries. Um, yeah. So I was patient. I followed the rules. I used the candle countdown timer, and I executed my bias. I need to move quicker with moving my stop loss to take profit when entering the trade. Secondly, I saw two new supply zones form on the 1 minute while observing the market is in a downtrend. So I trusted that while trying out the prop firm strategy. Also, I need to reread the prop firm strategy to make sure I am doing it correctly. Um, I need to move quicker with moving my stop loss and take profit when entering trade. So, same thing. Um, let me just put again. Yep. So, all right, y'all. This is my journal for the day. Me doing it while on stream, holds me accountable to actually do it and like not forget about it and wait till later. I'm happy I got my two trades today, just building brick by brick, getting better with the strategies that I see, not forcing myself to get into trades, but more so, like really seeing the strategies. So I was happy to see that I was able to utilize, two strategies today, and it's just making me better as I'm looking at the market and seeing what strategies can I do in this position. So I do feel I'm becoming more confident. I do want to get more clear understanding of the prop firm strategy. So that's the next strategy I need to gain clarity on. So this week I was able to gain a better understanding of utilizing the London low and high to enter trades and not only supply and demand zones. So it was fun being able to see that because I wouldn't have been able to enter trades this week. For the most part, majority of the trades were due to the London high or low versus supply and demand. So that was pretty cool. All right, y'all. So hope you have a great day. We'll be back Monday. Just continue to keep documenting this journey. And I'll be honest, I'm now feeling that moment of like staying consistent. Not just me hopping on the charts and doing what I'm doing at 6, but also turning on my stream. And everything doesn't have to be perfect. The last 2 days, I had my camera off, right? Just me, like, dang, do I want to get up and go to my desk? Or, I'm in a bed, but I'm still, like, locked in. So my whole goal was to continue to show up and do what I need to do. My camera being on or off, I wasn't going to allow that to be the determining factor. In these past 2 days, I am happy that I got up because I was able to do a great job by just being more locked in, staying consistent, and just the hardest thing you could do is continue to show up. All right, and so these last 2 days, it's pretty cool. Wednesday was my biggest learning opportunity. Okay, y'all have a good day.